Everybody, today we are going to be changing these locks. Car was broken into. I believe they used a shaved key, and I'm going to replace all that right now. Okay, first things first, keep all the screws together. So this is a little pick that I made. You out here, boom. This is the clip. So I also have these tools. You can use any regular flat bar. You want to find where it's catching and pull there, because if you pull anywhere else, like here, wherever there's not a clip, you have a chance of breaking this plastic. Very old plastic. Some doors have a little screw here that holds the panel on. I don't think these do. Pretty sure they don't. Boom. Set that there. As long as I get one here, I don't even really need one here. This locks in the panel. Here, one at the bottom there, one here, and then that's good enough for the girls I'll go out with. This is the same. Okay. Now, I'm going to be changing the handle as well. So one side came off, so it was a pain in the ass opening this door. So there's two going to be probably 11mm or 10mm bolts that hold that door handle in, and a little plastic clip that I can get my finger on, but I'm going to use some gloves just because. Alright, I'm not sure if the camera can get it, but there it is. Boom. Alright. So I said 11, and I remember correct. Now, you want to be careful that you don't drop these. If you do, you may have a hell of a time trying to get them back. And there it is. Old handle. So, new handle. Also on the bottom, if you're not sure which handle you got, because I couldn't remember where I put this, but it does have the RH and LH for right hand and left hand. There you go. So this came off of a 92, I believe. I took the column out of it and I grabbed the door handles at the pick and pull. So what I'm doing is guiding it on there, keeping my finger on it to ensure it stays where it's supposed to go. Alright. That feels like that's on there good. Bam. Door handle, check. This sits on this like this sideways in the door. So if you look back here, just pop this little edge up. Alright, so we'll take that off and we're going to put it back on the same way. Just we're going to take this little pin off. Okay. So if you do this like this, just be careful. Alright, and this should just pop right back in. Okay, well I guess the key goes on top. Like that. Unlock. Lock. Greatness. Button it back up. Okay, we're good here, here, and here. And this one went in like a glove. Let's double check. So we got a lock. Locked. Unlocked. Alright. And there it is. Boom. That's it. Almost. Now this is really easy to put back together. You just simply slide this on here. I go from one side to the other. It's not rocket science. It's a science, but it's not rocket science. Put that back on there. Make sure it rolls all the way down. Rolls up the same way it did before. Lock door. Nothing. Greatness. Locked. Unlock. Greatness.